Do it again.
Can you drop a beat for me?
No.
My name is Emma, and here's my dilemma. I don't know any words, and y'all smell like turds. We're finally here.
ASMR because I'm eating. We're eating pizza rolls and we're walking to the lake and it's really cold.
Hoping to find another poop crash today.
We are going back. Oh. That guy scared me. We are going back to the little cabin because I'm changing outfits because this is not cute to take pictures in. And yeah, okay, I changed outfits and we're just gonna go try to finish taking pictures. Hopefully Emma will be better.
Sorry.
Round 2. Actually round 3 because last time we took pictures too. So the other day. Or that one day.
Oh, the rain day?
Yeah, on the camera. Anyways, yeah. Okay, so
We just got done taking pictures.
yep,
My fingers are really cold.
it's freezing and it started raining on us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna go back to the cabin now and do that
And
thing.
edit pictures and look at pictures.
Yep. So,
Why do I look so red?
that's what I was thinking. Okay, anyways.
We didn't really do anything. We took pictures, we ate some hot dogs, sang some songs.
Hey.
Hashtag not sponsored, but should be.
Stop saying that.
That's just a schlong. this
Stop.
bed is like my schlong. To ancient times and great music. And
You're asking good questions.
which do you prefer, longboard or skateboard?
Longboard. You have 30 seconds to convince us who's the better person. What would you name your boat if you had one?
Tinge.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Have you baked a cake? Who was it for? Was it a success?
That was actually really funny.
Which chocolate bar is most like you?
What chocolate bar? Like Hershey's? Fudge bar. Like, I wouldn't be a vegetable that.
I'm gonna be a vegetable. Which offers me.
I'm coding that out.
What's your favorite book? Turn and say it.
I
Nancy Drew.
don't- What'd you say?
Those are my favorite books when I
I
was
said I don't read.
Okay, it's the most random thing you've ever watched on Netflix.
Watched a whale documentary the other day. So we'll be back tomorrow and we put a Q&A segment in it. Okay, anyways, yeah, we're actually going to bed.
Hi guys.
We're on the paddle boat right now and
Yep, paddling away.
yeah, we just made breakfast and stuff because
Yeah.
they ate it all.
Yeah, and she comes up next thing you know and she's like, hey, we ate the rest of the breakfast because you guys were up at 3 a.m. Like, what the heck does that have to do with us eating breakfast?
So hungry. He said,
We out here. We really out here. I probably look really bad.
Oh, I know I do. Wow, this is so good.
Great. We're doing great. Are you gonna do a story time?
I need something to think about. Stop this. Stop. No, stop it!
Oh!
We found our story time. Okay, so last year when we came here, there was this family.
Anyways, we're going to see if this is him because we think it is him.
Yeah, because last year, yeah. And his name's Ed, aka Poop Rash.
Yeah. No, I don't know.
Are we being...
Let's just yell Ed.
Ed!
Oh, sure. We don't know if this is him or not.
No! Ah! Ethan, I was chilling.
I was living life.
Ethan, no. I'm gonna pee my pants.
What up, my name's Emma. I'm a 14-year-old teen mom. Don't know how to carry a child because I'm a child myself.
I need to wipe my hand off. My hands off.
15 cars.
Okay, so this is our last night here. We're going to have a bonfire right now. They're already out there. Yeah, so we're gonna go back out there, and that's really all we have planned. Yeah, we're done though.
Yeah.
And Santa Asylum, yeah.
You want to eat that peanut butter? Come on, do you have a fever with that fit?
Hurt my head. What up, guys? It's our last day.
Yeah, and it's actually warm, so we're going out to tan right now.
We're on the paddle boat. Yeah, we're on the paddle boat again. We have these little fools this time. Look at the fish! Oh!